y'all, it's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and I'm coming back with another wig review, and this is actually a follow-up on the 30-inch Harlem 125 Kima lace wig that I purchased about 2 weeks ago. I've been wearing it for about a week, and I wanted to do a follow-up because it is a long wig, and I normally do follow-ups with my long wigs just to see mainly if it heats, how it styles, how it's been holding up, if it's still shedding, and just like the life of the wig. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so I wanted to get right into it with the crimps and things like that and the heating, because that's mainly why I did the follow up. I said in my first video, which is I will have linked below, that I was going to do a follow up to see if it will heat, because it did say that it will heat. Right now I cannot find where I put the actual package label tag thing that actually show like the instructions and things like that. But I did want to still follow up. I did re-glue it, as you guys can see, and I did crimp it, and it took me about, I'll say about 40 minutes to crimp. And as you guys can see, it did kind of crimp. It's not as defined as the 40-inch that I got from, I believe it was like Vanessa hair wig type, something like that. So it's not as defined, but it gives like a nice wave. But I actually like this hair better than that 40-inch wig, because as you can see, it's about on the second week to third week, and it is still very thin at the bottom. It's not like frail, it's not poofy and all of that you would get from a normally synthetic wig. So this is supposed to be a synthetic wig. I did get this wig from my hair store. I believe I paid, well, the tag said about $50. It was like $49.99. However, I did get the one off of the mannequin because they did not have any more in the back. So she gave me 25% off on this wig. So just do 25% from $50, and that is what I paid for this wig. I do feel like it is worth getting the wig, but if you can find it online, of course it will be cheaper, and you can just get it straight to your door. You don't have to like go out, especially during this pandemic, to get the wig. I do recommend this wig, but I don't know if I would pay $50. The only reason I really got it is because I needed the wig at the time. That's like the only reason I would actually get a wig from the hair store, if I needed spare the moment. And also because she gave me 25% off for it being on a mannequin, and they're a pretty good hair store. They don't try to like cheat you out of stuff. Normally they'll try to give you like 10%, and she gave me like 25. So I really appreciate that. I love this wig. I would recommend it. It still really, it doesn't shed. It's not tangled like the other wig. As you guys can see, I'm running my hands through the wig right now, and it's giving more of like a human hair type of feel. I'm running my hands through the hair right now, and it's like hardly any hair. It's maybe like a strand that came out on the ground. It's not tangling like the 40-inch. So the quality of this hair to me is much better than the quality of the 40-inch wig that I did. Just to kind of give you the idea, I believe I paid around like the same much. This is a little shorter, different brands, but I like this hair better. Like I feel like I could keep this hair for one of those just in case, like you need to throw on a wig real quick, and you want to do like the long hair. I feel like you could keep this for a while, especially in one of like those Ziploc wig bags. Like I'm kind of ghetto, so what I normally keep it in, when I say like a Ziploc wig bag, so I shop at like Shein and things like that, and they probably actually do make wigs like this for your hair, but I just use what I have. So I shop at like Shein, and they always put their clothes in like these like zip bags, which is very helpful for a lot of things, but especially like things like hair. So normally, since I shop there and they so inexpensive, I would get like a couple things and get like maybe 5 bags at a time. So this is where I keep my wigs, because girl, you never know, especially like the shorter wigs that actually last long and things like that. You just never know when you need to throw on a wig. You know, you may need to go run to the store, or you may have some plans, or you may see your boo thing. You just never know. So I always like to keep my wigs that I feel like will last long, and then the other wigs I just of course get rid of. But this wig I feel like I could keep for a while, and I feel like it would it will still be like in good shape. I like that it did heat pretty well. It gave me like a nice little wave, child, a nice little crimp. It's not overly done like the 40-inch, but it's like just enough. I'm pretty sure if I can crimp it, I can also curl the wig. But if you have seen my other wig reviews, you know I don't like to really curl long hair that's like 20 inches plus, because I just feel like it doesn't look right unless the hair is layered. I did not layer this hair, so I just pretty much kept it either straight, and now it's crimped, so it almost like a new wig and gave me like a new little refreshed look. I'm so happy that I did get this wig, and once again, it is a Harlem 125 Kima lace wig. I will have all of the information down below, and if I can find a wig, once again, like I said in all of my videos online, I will put the link online, but please buy at your own discretion. I am not sponsored by any of these companies. I buy it with my own money. I just want to show y'all what I got. Once again, this is like the parts. Y'all know I install my own wigs for right now because I'm trying to learn how to do my own hair. I'm not the best at it, but I didn't glue it this time because I did take it off since the first review. I didn't glue it this time, but I did like do the little baby hairs or whatever and put some got to be glue gel on it, but I didn't actually like glue it down or anything. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chenelle Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, your family, and your boo thing, and I will catch y'all in the next video.